This car's just been washed. The paintwork looks absolutely fantastic, but the whole effect's let down by faded plastic trim. It's really frustrating, but what can you do about it? Hi, welcome to Big Ted's Home and Garden. In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can restore faded plastic trim on your car and make it look like new in seconds. To do this, we're going to use this product. It's Meguiars Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer. And it's incredibly easy to use. All you've got to do is apply a small amount to a clean microfiber cloth. That's enough. And dab it onto the plastic. And basically just rub it in. You can see the difference it makes straight away. Look at that. And if I zoom out, you can see what a difference it's made. As you can see, the trim on these door pillars is particularly faded, so let's have a go at that. Once again, I'm going to apply the Meguiars cream to a clean microfiber cloth. And then dab it onto the trim before rubbing it in. I'll just do the bottom half so that you can see the difference before and after. So let's have a look. You can see straight away that even after just a few seconds it's made a huge difference. So I finished off that area and the rest of the trim around that door. You can see it looks way better now. Very impressed with this so far. Other areas which came up well included the wing mirror mountings, the roof rails. This is before, and then after. You can see the rails are blended in much better with the black paintwork now. It also works surprisingly well on the grey plastic on the grille and also surrounding the number plate down at the bottom here. That looks much better than it did before. So first impressions of Meguiars Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer are very good, but what's the durability like? Will it last for weeks, or will it just fade as it dries? The good news is, no, it doesn't. So this is what the car looked like about a week after I'd first cleaned it. And see, if anything, it looks a little bit better. The grey plastic on the grille and around the registration plate is still looking good. And the door trims and the roof rails look almost like new. If you apply this as part of your regular car wash, I can't see there's going to be any problem in terms of durability. This is not the cheapest product on the market. I think it was about £15 for a 355ml bottle. But you've seen how little of it you have to use, so this bottle should actually last quite a long time. So I hope you found this demonstration useful. If you have, leave a thumbs up. If you've got any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Big Ted's Home and Garden. We'll see you soon.